Are you struggling to keep track of your leads and customers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add contacts to HubSpot CRM in 2025. Quickly, easily, and without missing a single detail. Whether you're just starting out or optimizing your sales process, this step-by-step guide will help you stay organized and never lose a lead again. So let's dive in. Access your HubSpot dashboard. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to your main dashboard. From the top menu, hover over the Contacts tab and select Contacts. This is where you'll manage all your leads, clients, and relationships in one place. Add a new contact manually. To add a contact manually, click on the Create Contact button, usually located in the upper right corner. A form will appear where you can enter details like their name, email, phone number, and company. HubSpot allows you to add as much or as little information as you have, but the more complete it is, the better your tracking and communication will be. Import multiple contacts at once. Have a list of leads in a spreadsheet. HubSpot makes it super easy to import them all at once. Click the Import button, upload your CSV or Excel file, and map the fields to match HubSpot's contact properties. This saves hours of manual data entry and ensures your database is always up to date. Use HubSpot's browser extension or email integration. If you're already communicating with leads through email, you can add them directly to HubSpot using the Gmail or Outlook integration. Once connected, HubSpot can automatically capture new contacts from your email threads, saving you time and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Customize contact properties. One of HubSpot's biggest strengths is customization. If you need extra fields like lead source, budget range, or decision timeline, you can customize contact properties. This makes your CRM truly tailored to your workflow and helps your sales and marketing teams stay aligned. Save and review your new contacts. Once you've added or imported your contacts, review them to ensure all details are correct. HubSpot will instantly start tracking interactions, emails, and activities, giving you a full 360-degree view of each relationship. And that's it. You've just learned how to add contacts to HubSpot CRM in 2025, whether one by one or in bulk. By keeping your CRM updated, you'll streamline your workflow, improve follow-ups, and close more deals. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.